I'm Jamie Burns. Today we're going to be talking about how to use a lab still and how a lab still can fit in with your production distillery. I work with the family Jones here in Denver, Colorado. I am the lead distiller at our Denver facility. I've been in the distilling industry for a decade and I have a master's degree from Heriot-Watt University. We've been in business since 2017. We operate a tasting room and pilot scale distillery in Denver, and then have a larger production facility in Loveland, Colorado. We at the Denver facility have an award-winning tasting room downstairs, the full bar service, and we operate with a distiller's manufacturing permit, which here in Colorado means that we have to make everything that we serve across the bar. So a lab still fits in with our bar program downstairs because we're able to make a lot of small one-off spirits and also a range of modifiers and liqueurs that will support the bar program downstairs. The lab still is a very small fraction of our overall production, but it is an important part as it allows us to create all the different cocktails that aren't just spirits alone or fruit juice. We're able to create around a dozen modifiers ranging from vermouth substitutes to orange liqueurs to creme de cacao, and we've had some really good success with our liqueurs. Our orange liqueur that we made exclusively for the tasting room has since been something that we've scaled up to our large-scale production runs and distribute into the wider world. We're here in our Denver Distilleries lab with our 3-liter lab still. Today in this class we're going to cover the different components of a lab still, how to set up and run a lab still, how to build recipes that scale using the lab still. We'll also talk about how to use a lab still to run test distillations on liqueurs to check for ABV. To learn more about using a lab still, click the link below.